What's up, G here? Welcome to my channel. On today's video, we're gonna talk about authorized users on credit cards. So if you're new here to this channel, we talk about real estate investing, personal financing, and investing as a whole. So please go ahead and take care of that like button for me. I would really appreciate it. For those of you who don't know, an authorized user is a secondary account holder on a credit card. These users can make payments but not ultimately responsible as far as the payment aspect, unlike a joint account holder or a co-signer would be. So for those of you that's been following my channel, you guys know that I'm in the market for my first property on FHA. I recently got a property under contract, and what ended up happening is because the price of the property was too high, I had to go ahead and get a co-borrower. You guys know I made a video as far as me selling my car. I'll put the video in the undercard above, but me selling my car was still not enough, so I had to get a co-borrower. So I had a family agree to sign with me on this property, but the thing was basically that their credit score was low. So we came up with a plan to increase their credit score. That's when I myself first learned about using authorized users to basically help others build their credit. And you guys know, whatever I learned, I'm gonna share it with you guys. So basically my credit was good, so I added my family member onto my credit, and what that did was it basically increased their actual credit limit, and it also added to their credit history. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor nor a credit advisor, so just take this as entertainment. And another thing too, as I know you guys wondering how bad their credit was, basically with FHA you need a 620 or above. It can be below that as far as your FICO score being 520, but your interest rate would be higher as far as the property. So their credit was under the 620 mark, so we had to devise a plan to get it above that 620. So that's when we came up with a plan as far as the authorized users. And of course, me and my family member, we agreed upon this was only to help build their credit. So as far as the credit cards, I had the credit cards come to me, so I kept the credit card that was in their name as far as the authorized user. But in turn, it went ahead and built their credit. Their credit score went about 100 points from where we was to where we at now, and it took approximately around like 30 days or even less. So I was really amazed as far as like what an authorized user can do. So if you or anyone, your family member that you're trying to help, or they're trying to help you build your credit, I would say you can take the route as far as an authorized user. There's really no risk as far as the authorized user to me. If you do it like I did it, like I said, it's not no financial advice or a credit advice, so just take this as entertainment. But it really worked out for me as my favorite, and as far as for my family member, it really brought me joy that I really got to help them build their credit score, also build their credit score back up. So I was really happy that I got to do this, and they also in turn helped me out also as far as with being a co-borrower on purchasing my first property, which is of course a rental property that I'm going to house hack. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and take care of that like button. I would really appreciate it. Go ahead and smash it, and I will keep you guys up to date as far as purchasing my first rental property. I really appreciate it. As always, please be safe, be healthy, peace be with you.